Just topped off on fuel, $27.06, $2.34 a gallon in San Diego. Cheapest fuel I found in San Diego so far at Noil Mart. I'm going to show you guys a quick little mod I did here. Here's where I put my table, and my table leg is behind it, right there. And then I just put 2 hooks. Alright, check this out. So, if you saw my van down by the river video, when I was hanging out, I was getting a bunch of sun coming into the back. So, what I did was put a Velcro strip here, and a Velcro strip here, and a Velcro strip, Velcro strip. Why did I say Velcro? On the sunshade. And check it out. Works perfectly. You don't even have to get it on perfectly. Just kind of have to get it on, because this thing's rigid enough where it holds up, so I don't even have to put a Velcro here. So just close this up like that, and then put the other one up. You could easily do this from the inside. You just got to feel for it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be on perfectly. And then close this up like that. That's all there is to it. Now the back windows are blocked off. Simple mod and helpful.